Hey, it's Mike. I want to show you a quick video of an air compressor setup. This is my small air compressor here in my garage, and I just want to show you how to keep the water out of your air compressor. If you're using a lot of air tools like I do, or you're using especially spray guns where you're spraying paint like I do, then you don't want water in your paint. That is like your worst nightmare. So what I've done is I've just put together a pretty simple little system. It's pretty inexpensive and it's very, very easy to hook up. So what you do is you go on the bottom of your tank. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but right there you'll see that fitting right in the center of this picture, this video. You'll see that little fitting. So it comes with the fitting. You just run your little hose right out of that fitting, and then you run it right up to, I've got mine mounted right here on the side of my bench, right by my compressor. And then you've got dials here. You can set this. So you can push test to test it. You can turn it off and on. And you can set these dials how often you want it to come on. Well, then you've got another hose. So your hose here comes from the bottom of the tank right up into the top of this. That's the moisture that's coming out of the bottom of your tank, comes into the dryer here. All right, then you've got a hose that comes out of the bottom of this up into this dryer assembly. Here, I mean, this is your dryer, this is your assembly off the dryer, and then you've got one more hose that comes out into a drain. So your drain is going to run right down, and you can't really see it, but it's, see my thumb back here, this is your drain coming out, and it comes right down. You can see this hose right here, and I've just got it coming right to there, and you can see the moisture where it's come out. But this kicks on, and what it's doing is it's actually pulling the moisture out. It's drawing it out of your tank into this dryer made by Airpal. But it's just a simple little two-stage dryer assembly that works great. So highly recommend it. It's fairly inexpensive, real easy to hook up, and it don't take up a lot of space. I've just got it sitting there, but you can put it, you know, back out of the way or wherever you want to put it. But what it does, it keeps that moisture out of your tank. I don't have the air tool troubles no more with moisture coming through. I don't have all that mess that you've probably dealt with if you've used air tools, especially paint. I can't tell you the number of times I've painted and had moisture come out and right into the paint job. And the last thing is handy little filter. I keep a bunch of these around. You can tell this has been sitting around for a while, but I'll use these a couple months and then I'll throw them away. But you can get these anywhere. This happens to be a cobalt one, but 3M makes them. It's just a little bulb filter that goes on the end of your air hose, and I'm telling you, it's just double protection to keep the moisture out of your paint, out of your air tools, and make everything live longer. Okay, hope this video was helpful.